Hi everybody, this is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Carteret Mobile Park. Today we're looking at lot L-12 in Carteret Mobile Park, which is in Carteret, New Jersey. And we encourage you to go to our website, myhomeincarteret.com, to see this new listing of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home that we are proud to be the listing agents for. So we are selling this on behalf of the owner, and you will be buying it directly from the owner, even though we built this house several years ago. We built this house in 2019. And I'll tell you a little bit about the house. You have this back door and a back patio. You see the central air conditioning there, the dryer vent for the laundry room that was in that door. Here's the shed. You had outside electric. You have a maintenance-free yard that's all stone. You would just have to weed it if it needed it. You have recycling and garbage pickup, and the lot fee includes that service. The lot fee is listed on the website. There is 2-car parking in front of the house, and it's 1 vehicle per driver, no more than 2 vehicles. That's a maximum on the lease for every single home. So now we're going to go inside. You can see that there's this custom wood landing, and we have an awning above that the owner added. There's mail delivery directly to the house. That's the lot number, L-12. There's a little look at the neighborhood. And now let's look inside. So here you see a living room. It's got a laminate flooring. It's drywall throughout. You've got a ceiling fan. These are thermal pane windows. Very efficient for keeping your utility costs down. Here you see the kitchen, and this is what's called Timberwolf gray brownish cabinetry. It's all wood cabinetry. There you have a view of the living room from this side. Very spacious kitchen. You've got LED lighting above. And all the appliances are from Whirlpool, and again, they're dated 2017, when the house was first constructed. Here is the view of these amazing appliances. They're all in wonderful condition. This house has been meticulously taken care of, so you will be very pleased with the purchase of this home. Here is the stainless steel double sink. There's the window view outside, either window, and you've got the subway tile, and that's a Cipollino upgraded countertop. Here's the Whirlpool dishwasher. I've been told it's never been used. Plenty of counter space, as you can see. Another view of the living room and the dining room in the middle of the kitchen. That little door there we'll go into in a little bit. That's the laundry. Take a look at the refrigerator. It's a side-by-side Whirlpool refrigerator. Plenty of room, and again in great condition. Here you see how deep the cabinets are and how much storage you can have in there. Those are European pulls on the wood cabinetry. Again, the laminate flooring. We've had tenants paint their wood cabinets, and it's very exciting when they make it different colors. This gray kind of barn board flooring is so pretty. A lot of furnishings in this house are being offered by the family to stay, so that will be a separate negotiation, but they want to leave a lot of the furnishings So that is something that you can, again, negotiate with the owner. Here's the laundry room, a washer and dryer, and they will be, again, left with the house. This house is being sold as is, so you get a chance to look at the house before you purchase. And here is the backyard view and the patio. View of the washer and dryer, view of the final flooring, and all the shelving that they added above the washer and dryer. Next to it is more cabinets that you can add items that you need to store there. This laundry room has the water resistant paper. I love that subway tile, so pretty. Now we're going down the hallway, and we will go to the hall bathroom first. Again, you've got the vinyl flooring, the water resistant paper, the Cipollino countertop, and the porcelain drop-in sink, and again the same wood Timberwolf cabinetry, and again the cosmetic box above the commode. Here you see the transom window above the one-piece fiberglass tub. This is the master bedroom, and while you only see a twin bed in here, we have had many people put a king-size bed underneath the window, and there's plenty of room on either side of the house bed to put a nightstand. Here's a view from this angle. Again, many of the furnishings the family's wishing to leave in the house. You've got a bypass closet. We'll take a peek inside so you get an idea of what it looks like. It's carpeting in the bedroom, and that was added by the homeowner. And this master bath is connected to the master bedroom. Same vinyl flooring. This is carpeting. The same wood cabinetry. The commode, a step-in shower stall with glass doors, and the homeowner added 2 grab bars. Here you see the vertical window above the commode, and they added a beautiful stained glass covering to give privacy and then not to have a little curtain there. So this is a very beautiful countertop for the vanity. Again, the laminate flooring in the hall. There you have your furnace, which runs your forced hot air. It's a Miller furnace, and this also runs your central air conditioning. And here is the second bedroom. Again, the homeowner carpeted, and it's a full drywall bedroom. You've got bypass doors for the closet. The house is stunning, very well taken care of. It's an honor to help promote this beautiful home. This house is listed for $159,000, and it's 887 square feet. Again, it was built in 2019. This is a Redman home, and it's a division of Champion Homes, which is sold on the New York Stock Exchange, and it is a manufactured or HUD code built home. 2-bedroom, 2-bath in Carteret Mobile Park, and our address is 1501 Roosevelt Avenue in Carteret, New Jersey, 07008. So go to the website, myhomeincarteret.com. Take a look at the process. We've outlined it on our website. We have new tabs on financing and lot fees. So we're looking forward to who the new homeowner will be of lot L-12. Now you'll be seeing a series of pictures showing you the house. We have Anderson storm doors on both doors. I'll have a floor plan shortly where you can see the dimensions of all the rooms. This is a move-in ready home, and the availability will be October 1st, 2022. So if you're able to move by October 1st, that would be a perfect closing date between yourself and the current owner. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community, and your lot fee includes your water, your sewer, your garbage and recycling. So you purchase the house and then you apply as a resident to be approved as a resident in Carteret Mobile Park, and you pay your monthly lot fee. It's a beautiful bathroom. Here's a up-close picture of the grab bars. A lot of people turn their second bedroom into a study or a guest for visitors. As you can see, it was done like that for this home. So here's your floor plan, and that's also listed on the website separately, and so is this in the photographs. This home was originally built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building manufactured homes in New Jersey for 35 years. Robert Dolan holds all the licenses as a HUD installer and a licensed dealer for manufactured homes. Our website is Dolan Homes. We pride ourselves on building innovative, quality manufactured homes in 3 of our communities. One of them is Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and the last one is Harbor Crossings. We have a great construction crew to build every one of these homes. They're very talented and very experienced. very dedicated team. We are 4 generations. My husband, myself, our son, our nephew, and their children. Here's the advantages of owning a home in one of our communities. Carteret, New Jersey is managed by the Dolan family. And as I mentioned, it is a land lease community. I send everybody the lease, and it's also sent to you through our constant contact and in every email where I provide the resident application link, which is now done only online. This is our address. This is our office. We see everybody by appointment only. Arriving to Carteret Mobile Park, you have to enter on Blair Road. You'll see a big sign that directs you to the entrance. And you'll see this at the entrance. And the maintenance building has all the information you need to contact us. And you follow the signs down the main entrance. On the lamppost, you'll see all the signs directing you to the office. But again, we see everybody by appointment only. So you want to start at the website, myhomeincarteret.com. Fill out the 15 pre-qualifying questions. And if you need financing, you would apply separately. I can offer you some idea of manufactured home loan financing companies that we recommend. And then you would get a pre-approval letter, and that'll allow you to tour any one of our homes that are for sale. Now here's a view of the community, some of the more beautiful homes in the community. We have, the lease helps us make sure everybody keeps their place clean and nice and beautiful, and everybody appreciates how hard we work at making sure that this takes place. It's a beautiful, quiet neighborhood to live in, close to New York City. In the shadow of this New York City, there's a bus station, a bus stop right in front of our office, and it takes you right into New York City. We are really proud to be part of the American dream of home ownership. Here you see a young man who was from Cuba and bought his first house, and it was a marvelous, glorious day to celebrate with him, to have his American dream of home ownership. From our family to yours. So start at the website,